Hey guys, Ryan here. So this is part 4. This is the last tutorial of the whole dance. So you have been doing amazing up to this point. So this is a little bit tricky, this section, but it's also my favorite. So we're gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna take it nice and slow, and then we're gonna pick it up at the end. So we're gonna start feet like this. We're gonna take one hand up and around our heads and push out. Very good. And we're gonna take the other hand down here. We're gonna bring that up and around our head and push out. Nice and easy. So some people might know some moves from TikToks here. So I'd say you might know these. So we're gonna step out and slide. We're gonna step the other way, step out and slide. And when you step, you're gonna move your arm like this. So you're gonna go step together, step together. Very good. We're gonna take this hand. So if you put this hand up, we're gonna make kind of like a wave or a C action. Very good. But we're not going to do it on the spot. We're going to do it turning around. So we're going to go for 4 counts. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Might be a little bit tricky, so we'll try that again. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to continue the wave up here, but this time it goes over and through your body and stop. Very good. So we'll do that all from the top really quick. We're going to go around, push, around, push. Slide together, around 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave through your body, stop. Very good. So this hand is up. We're going to take this hand, we're going to go over, under, over, under. Very good. And we're going to swap to the other side, but we're going to swap hands. So this hand goes up, and this hand here goes over, under, over, under. Very good. Now we're going to face the front. So this is a bit of a tricky move as well. We're going to take our hand up to the side of our face, and we're going to take our hand under our face. And we're going to do that 2 more times, side and under. But while you do it, have fun, okay? So we're going to move as well. So you can move your head, you can move your body, you can do whatever you want to do. And to the last step, we're going to come down here and we're going to tap it twice. We're going to go 1, 2, and we're going to clap, and we're going to jump. Nice and easy. So I'm going to recap that from the top. Here we go. Stand up tall. 5, 6, 7, 8. Around, push. Around, push. Step. Step. We're going to go around in a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wave. 2, 3, 4. Over, under, swap, over, under, face, 2, 3, 4, down, down, clap, up. So guys, that is the last section. Hopefully we're going to put it all together and we're going to do an absolutely amazing routine. So you've been amazing up to this point. Keep it up, keep it going, and here we go.